What's up, you guys? My name is Lily and this video is my self-tanning routine. So I have been self-tanning since probably middle school, so I've had my fair share of bad tans and trials and tribulations, but I finally feel like I have found the perfect, easiest, quickest, most realistic, good glow that makes me feel confident and so good when I feel tan. I just feel so much better. So this is how I achieve that. I use Loving Tan products. I've been using them for about 2 years now and I just love it so much. And shout out to the team there, Bianca and everybody else who keeps me hooked up with your products. They are absolutely the best. I tell everybody I know to use it. I'm telling you guys to use it because it is my favorite tan. I think the color works really well with my skin tone, and there are 3 different shades of the mousses, which is like my go-to. There's medium, dark, and ultra dark. I typically go for medium in the winter when I'm really pale, and then dark in the summer when I have a little bit of glow already to put it on top of it, and then ultra dark if I want to be really, really dark, but it is super dark. So I'm going to go through step by step to tell you guys how to do this at home yourself and get a nice even tan. So my first step is to shower, and in the shower you want to shave and exfoliate. I usually exfoliate first using this product right here. It's the Tan Removing and Skin Polishing Glove. It's double-sided. The black side is more rough to get like harsher spots, and then the pink side is like for more delicate areas. I typically use the dark side all over just because I really want to scrub it off, and then I'll shave to make sure I have smooth base. And that is your main priority when you're exfoliating, to get a smooth base so that the tan evenly like sticks to everything. If you think about like icing a cake, I know this is a weird explanation, but if you're like icing a smooth cake, it's gonna go on so well, versus if it's like crumbly, it'll get in there, it's just funky. So that's kind of like how your skin is. Like if it's nice and smooth, it glides on so well, but if it's like dry and flaky, it's just not going to go on as well. So after you get out of the shower, if you took a warm shower, your pores are more than likely open because heat opens up your pores. So you want to allow them time to cool down and close, because if you put self-tanner on top of open pores, it's going to get all these little black speckled dots, well not black, but like darker dots on you because it soaked it up. So you want to allow time in between. So what I'll do is I'll shower at nighttime, and then my step 2 is moisturizing. So I'll put moisturizer on my face, my wrists, my elbows, my knees, like anywhere that's really dry. You don't want to like completely lotion up because you still want the tan to stick. So I put the lotion on the spots where I kind of want like a barrier, like a little bit extra layer in between my skin and the tan. So just know the places you put lotion, it's going to be less tan, but that's good when you don't want your face to be as dark or right here. So with that being said, I take my showers at nighttime, I moisturize, I go to sleep, and then when I wake up is step 3, is actually applying the tan. I use the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in, like I said, dark or medium, sometimes ultra dark. And you just pump this out onto a mitt. And the mitt is like the most crucial part, I feel like. So this is Loving Tan's Deluxe Applicator Mitt. And it is this right here. It's like a velour, really soft little mitt, basically. You just slide your hand in, it's double-sided, and you just go in circles. I like to start on my feet and then work my way up, because if I start here and go down and I bend over, sometimes I get like creases right here, so you want to work up. And then when I get to my face, I just usually use whatever is like left on the mitt and just put it on, or I'll pump like a little bit and like blend it together and then just pat it on my face, and then I rub it all in together. Some people choose not to self-tan their face. I prefer, because I want to be, you know, cohesive. So then step 4 is just let it develop. It says 6 to 8 hours. Now if you're doing it during the day like I am, you just want to get dressed, put on dark, loose-fitting clothing, and try not to get wet and try not to sweat, because if water gets on it, it will deactivate it and kind of make it not tan in those spots. So if you're going to sleep, if you put the tan on, you go to sleep, that's great because then it'll be developing as you're sleeping and you're probably not gonna get like wet while you're sleeping, hopefully. It's really weird to say. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, I do it during the day, so I'll probably just wait around 20 minutes for it to dry before I get dressed. The good thing about Loving Tan is it dries really quick. I've had spray tans where I'm like standing there sticky for hours. It's the worst feeling. I love how quick Loving Tan dries. And also, from what I understand, when you pump it out and it's dark, that actually isn't the real tan. The real tan is clear, so when you're smoothing it on, the darkness is just for you to see it. So after the 6 to 8 hours, when you go to wash it off, you see it going down the drain, but that's not the actual tan. Like, what you're left with is the real tan, what stained your skin. So that would be my step 5, is to wash the tan off once it is dry, and that's that color that you saw is washing off down the drain, but what you're left with is the real tan. Some people choose not to shower. I always like to shower so I feel really clean, but you don't want to use soap. You just want to wash off your body, just kind of brush it off, and you can see it coming off, so you'll know when you're done. And then after that, you just want to get out and pat dry with a towel. Don't rub your skin or anything. And you can moisturize, but make sure you don't use an oil-based moisturizer because the oils can break down the tan. And you can always use their top off products. This is the Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream. This, oh my gosh, it makes you tanner and glowy. It's so pretty. If you have a special occasion, you just put it on. So beautiful. And this also comes in medium dark and ultra dark. The Deluxe Gradual Tan. This is a gradual tanner moisturizer lotion. You can use just this and apply it, and I would do like the same steps I would with the mousse, but just apply this one. Or if you do the mousse and then a couple days later it starts to fade, you can always top it off with this and it'll bring that glow right back. I love this, and this smells so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. And this you would apply the same way. Just put it on the mitt, smooth it on, and you're done. And you're tan and you're glowy and you feel great and confident. The best. So that is my tanning routine. If you guys have any other questions that I didn't answer in this video, leave them down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. For the most part, I try to answer all of my DMs that are like questions. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.